Hey there, I'm Corporate Chef Dave Wilson with WD College. We rep Blodgett coast to coast here in Canada. Today we're here to talk to you about the Imvection oven. 2 doors, 4 cavities, all operating at different temperatures. First we'll chat a little bit about the oven, then we'll get to cooking. So before we start cooking up a bunch of food, let's just talk a little bit about the oven. How does the Imvection oven work? The Imvection oven switches between impingement and convection based on the recipe and or the temperature selected on the control panel. We have 4 different cavities. We all are operating at 4 different temperatures. Anything above 400 is going to be impingement style cooking. Anything below 400 down to 300 degrees is going to be convection style cooking. And all of this is made possible by our patented pending jet plates. You'll see them there in the bottom and top of each cavity. The Imvection oven is a truly ventless oven. It has 4 catalysts, 1 in each chamber. All the air inside the cooking chamber flows through that catalyst. The grease and vapor is scrubbed off, then clean air returns to the cook chamber. The most notable feature about the Imvection oven is its 2-door design. Other ovens out there have 1 door. When you open it, you're releasing all of the heat from all 4 cavities. Our 2-door design is much better. We're only opening the chamber 2 of the 4 chambers. We're getting better heat retention, faster recovery times, and improved bake patterns. Okay, so we talked a little bit about the oven, features and benefits, and how wonderful this oven is to cook with. So let's see some real world experience. We have our main entree and our main dinner here. We have a steak and some roasted vegetables. And we have an entree, a little appetizer we're gonna cook, which is a baked garlic shrimp in our cast iron pan. But the first things I need to do is I need to cook some of the ingredients that are gonna go under the plate when this stuff's cooking. First one is I need a corn puree, a roasted vegetable setting here. Okay, the timer starts going, that's a 6-minute time. Next I need the mushrooms and onions done that are gonna accompany the steak. Again, go to the control panel, find our mushrooms and roasted mush and onions, push that one, the light on the top of the bottom sections, throw that in there. So those are the 2 prep items we need to get done. We needed about 1 more minute on those mushrooms, so we actually enabled our plus 1 minute feature there. Mushrooms are almost ready. Oven's flashing. Let's get those out of there, see what they look like. Our other one's almost done. We got 2 more minutes left on our roasted vegetables. There we go. Roasted mushrooms and onions in 7 minutes. The roasted vegetables for our corn puree are ready. Look at that. Look at that color. 450 degrees, 10 minutes, looking fabulous. Okay, dinner service is on us. We need to get the steak in. We know that's going to take the longest. So I just plug in the core probe temperature. Steak shows up on our top cavity. Touch it, put the steak in there. The core probe sits between the oven door. It'll tell us when we're getting our steak to 125. So we'll let that roll. But I also need to have the appetizer ready. Baked garlic shrimp. So we need to get that ready as well. You'll see it's in the oven number 2. So we touch that. It flashes, tells me which oven. So I got to throw that in there. The baked garlic shrimp, that's going to take about 2 and 3 minutes to get that cooked up. And then we'll get ready. We'll send the appetizer out. The steak should be done soon. We'll let it rest. We'll get the veggies roasted. Okay, our baked garlic shrimp is beeping at us. It's ready to go. Appetizer's ready. Call for the waiter for pickup. Look at that. A little garnish to the plate here. Some bread for dipping. That's ready for service to the customer. All right, our steak's almost done. We got to get our veggies in. Brussels sprouts, carrots, roasted vegetables, go in oven number 2. Again, we're opening the cavity quickly, getting those in, and they should be ready when the steak is coming out. Okay, our steak's done. It's hit our 125 target. It's going to have a little bit of terry over cooking, and we're going to have it let it rest for a little bit. Pull out our probe. There you go. Nice medium rare steak. Okay, our roasted veggies are flashing. They're done. Nice, beautiful roasted carrots and some fantastic roasted Brussels sprouts. Okay, let's get this feast plated up. We're gonna do 2 different plates here. We're gonna do steak 2 ways. My best chefy swirl. Some of the steak on there. Some of those caramelized onions. Some of our Brussels sprouts for a little color. A little chimichurri around the outside of the steak. Next, we're going to do more family style steak. Sliced up, bone in, roasted carrots. So there you have it. Out of the Blodgett Imvection, our baked garlic shrimp appetizer, our steak, carrots, and Brussels sprouts, and our steak, Brussels sprouts, sauteed onions on a bed of corn puree. Blodgett Imvection, one of the most versatile ovens you can buy. Thanks for tuning in. We cooked a 3-course meal, all the prep needed to make it, plus the meal itself, using 2 different cavities, running at 2 different temperatures. One was core probe cooking, one was timer cooking. That's the Blodgett Imvection in a nutshell. Very versatile oven. If you'd like some further information on the Imvection, please reach out to your local WD College rep. I'm Chef Dave Wilson, coming to you from our test facility here in Mississauga. We call it Stage. We love to do a presentation on the oven for you. Reach out to me via our website. Thanks very much.